Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a small container for screws. Carefully turn your LG Gram laptop upside down to access the screws on the back panel. Remove all screws using the Phillips screwdriver, taking care to keep them organized in your container. Next, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back panel. Start at one corner and slowly work your way around, ensuring you don't apply too much force to avoid damaging the clips. Once the panel is off, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Now, locate the screen connectors. These are typically secured with small screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws and gently disconnect the screen from the motherboard. It's crucial to handle these connections with care to avoid any damage. Before proceeding, make sure your workspace is clean and free of static. This helps in preventing any unwanted damage to the laptop's internal components. If you're unsure or uncomfortable with these steps, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess the situation for you. Once the screen is disconnected, it's time to remove the old screen. Carefully lift it away from the laptop frame. If it's stuck, gently wiggle it free, avoiding any excessive force. Now, take your new screen and align it with the connectors. Make sure all connections are secure before reattaching any screws. After securing the new screen, it's a good idea to clean the internal components while you have the laptop open. Use compressed air to remove dust from the fans and other parts. This can improve performance and longevity. If you prefer, our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, allowing you to avoid any hassle with calls or travel. With everything reconnected and cleaned, carefully replace the back panel, ensuring all clips are secured. Reinsert all screws you removed earlier, tightening each one firmly but don't over-tighten as this can strip the screws. Finally, turn your laptop back over and power it on to test the new screen. Check for any flickering or issues. If something doesn't seem right, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make informed decisions without any stress. By following these steps, you can easily replace the screen on your LG Gram laptop, saving time and money. If you encounter any difficulties along the way, feel free to reach out to us for assistance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.